Welcome back. Is clutter overtaking your home? No worries. Today we're sharing 31 cute bathroom gadgets that will transform your cleaning routine. Whether you're a cleaning whiz or a busy parent, these tools are here to help. Let's dive in and take back your space. Toilet light. Imagine never having to fumble for the bathroom light at night. This motion-activated toilet light not only saves energy, but adds a fun glow to your bathroom, making late-night trips a breeze. LED water faucet. Transform your everyday wash into a dazzling experience with an LED faucet. Not only does it add a splash of color to your sink, but it also indicates the water temperature, keeping you safe from surprises. Flexible sink brush. Say goodbye to awkward angles and hidden grime. The flexible sink brush bends and reaches into those tight spots, ensuring every inch of your sink sparkles. Toothbrushing timer for kids. Make brushing fun and effective. This colorful timer helps kids brush for the recommended 2 minutes, turning a chore into a game they'll love. Metal tube squeezer. Dramatically reduce waste with this stylish metal tube squeezer. Perfect for squeezing out every last drop of your favorite toothpaste or lotion, saving you money while reducing clutter. Toilet lid lifters. Elevate your toilet experience with these simple yet genius lid lifters. They minimize mess and keep things hygienic. No more touching the toilet seat when you need to lift it. Shower head cleaning nozzle. Keep your shower head sparkling and free from mineral buildup. This nozzle makes cleaning quick and easy, ensuring a steady flow of water for a luxurious shower experience. Toilet airbrush companion. This innovative tool keeps your bathroom smelling fresh without harsh chemicals. The airbrush design discreetly masks odors with a gentle spray, keeping your space inviting. Toothbrush sanitizer. Fight germs where it counts. The toothbrush sanitizer uses UV light to kill bacteria, giving you peace of mind with every brush. Your oral health deserves the best. Automatic paper cut dispenser. Wave goodbye to jagged edges and paper waste. This automatic dispenser slices perfect sheets at the push of a button, making cleanups a breeze and your counters clutter-free. Waterproof shower phone holder. Why not enjoy your favorite tunes or podcasts while you shower? This waterproof phone holder fits securely in your bathroom, ensuring entertainment is always at hand. Thermostatic shower system. Achieve water perfection with a thermostatic shower system. No more unexpected temperature changes, just a luxurious, controllable shower experience every time. Bathroom clock timer. Time your cleanups or those long, relaxing baths with this stylish bathroom clock timer. This chic addition is not only functional, but also enhances your decor. Tip holder. Keep your Q-tips tidy and accessible with this elegant holder. No more rummaging through drawers. It's both a practical organizer and a statement piece for your countertop. Toilet bolt screw covers. Elevate your bathroom aesthetic with these stylish toilet bolt screw covers. They conceal unsightly screws for a polished look and make cleaning a breeze. Cute puppy hand towel. Add a dose of charm to your bathroom with this adorable puppy hand towel. Not only is it functional, but it also brings a smile every time you wash your hands. Bathtub overflow drain cover. Keep splashes at bay with this clever drain cover. It's designed to prevent messes while adding a stylish touch to your bathroom. Flying skirt tissue box. Say goodbye to boring tissue boxes with this whimsical design. It not only holds tissues, but also adds a dash of fun to your decor. Toddler toilet training chair. Make potty training a breeze for your little one. This chair is comfortable, safe, and adorable. Perfect for tiny tots embarking on new adventures. Faucet extender for youngsters. Help your kids reach the sink with ease. This handy extender promotes independence and teaches good hygiene habits effortlessly. Whale-shaped soap holder. Bring some ocean vibes to your bathroom with this adorable soap holder. It's functional and makes washing your hands a little more fun. 3-branch traceless hanging hook. Maximize your space with these invisible hooks. They can hold a variety of items without leaving a mark. Perfect for any room. Cherry toilet brush. Cleaning doesn't have to be dull. This playful cherry-shaped toilet brush adds a burst of color while keeping your bathroom fresh and tidy. Cute elephant wall shelves. Make your walls come alive with these charming elephant shelves. They're perfect for displaying books and decorative items with flair. Cute towel holder. This delightful towel holder is both functional and decorative. It offers a unique way to display your towels while keeping them within reach. Wicker storage baskets. Declutter your space in style with these chic wicker baskets. Perfect for storing everything from toys to blankets, they add a warm touch to any room. Cute cosmetic organizer. Keep your beauty products neat and accessible with this stylish organizer. Its cute design makes it a must-have for makeup lovers. Mini bathtub basketball hoop. Make bath time a blast with this mini basketball hoop. It's a fun way to engage kids while ensuring they enjoy their splash time. Toilet seat cushion. Upgrade your bathroom comfort with this plush toilet seat cushion. It adds a cozy touch that you never knew you needed. Shower wiper. Keep your shower spotless with this sleek wiper. It helps prevent soap scum and water spots, making post-shower cleanup a cinch. Artificial succulent plants. Bring greenery into your home without the upkeep. These realistic artificial succulents add a fresh touch to any space without the worry of watering. Thanks for joining us in exploring these fantastic gadgets. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing finds.